been a busy week and we're not done yet. Do 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 bitch yes do 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 do. Yo boys, right, I'm gonna jump off this voice chat. Just come join on the YouTube, my people then. There's the link there. I'll see you boys on there. We'll see if we can get anything for 8. Do 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 do. What's good, boys? What we saying, man? What's fucking good, my boys? Let's have a look at the trim in the morning. Let's put this on. What we saying, my people? What's good? 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 Let's put this on. Let's make sure I just got this on the screen. Oh, the cerebral pause. Cerebral pause. Okay, we're good. Like morning, boys. MH, Henry, Jed, T1, Junior, Soma. What we saying, boys? Let's get it. Nick of time. What's good, Nick? Is your name just full of play on words or something, Nick? Fucking love it. Love that shit, buddy. I've actually been up for like 3 hours already. Yes. What's good, Wigs? Yeah. Let's get it, gentlemen. Let's get it, gentlemen. DXY, if you want to move up, can you do it? Like now, please. DXY the Pride 50 is all that matters right now, for real. Trust me, man. Trust me, bro. For fuck. Say the hi. Oh, why's my camera froze? Why's my camera froze, bro? Why is my camera froze? Let me reset that. Let me reset it. Let me reset it. Let me reset it, boys. Yo, are you nearest Stansted Airport? Because lots of people I know follow you. Yeah, bro. Kind of, like 25, 30 minutes. Well, Ewan, where you from, man? You from Stansted? If you follow my private Instagram, bro, you might see Bear Man. You might see Bear Man that you know. Fucking, there we go. I'm from Dummer, yeah, man. That's not far at all, bro. I'm like Harlow ways, man. Boys, I'm cold, man. Come on, Dick, so I'll come take this out for me, broski. Morning, boys. Not even far from me, to be fair. Where are you, Bigfoot? I'm Colchester. Yeah, that's not too far, man. That's like, what, 35 minutes? My cousin used to play for Colchester. I used to go there quite a lot, man. Actually, wait, let me look how far Colchester is. Might be a bit further. Daily sale tea on gold, bro. For some reason I can't see by my glasses in the morning, bro. I swear down. Best trade is clearly Arbonne in Arlo. Also a place for the most amount of crackheads, youngest teen pregnancy, and just all round poverty. It's a place where we're from, bro. We gotta make it somewhere, man. There's so much shit. Things that I think is good growing up around Harlow, as you know, like, mate, this place is horrible, man. Such a good motivation to actually fucking go ahead and make some money, bruv. Colchester, 33 miles. That ain't too far. That's an hour. It's not that far, really. Yes, Vish, what you saying, broski? Let's have a look at this CRT. Do we see on gold? Daily CRT and gold retraces to this 1 hour today as your high. Let's see how this plays out. Are we really looking for this to come down? I can only assume then, right? Oh, this 1 hour order book is actually gorgeous. What you fucking padding? Harlow's a bit Soviet Union. I'm always trying to forget that little mate's youngest teen pregnancy. Bro, is my mic froze for you, man, again? Sorry, my camera. Bro, my camera's not even dying. It says it's still on, isn't it? Let me change the battery. Still need DXY to come grab the high. Right, let's get this working, man. Right, that's a new battery, should be sweet. Awkwardly not seeing price grab this high, still accumulating more liquidity above this high. Let's have a look at what Mark's got to say. Where comes that batteries? No, I've got a camera, bro. I've got an actual camera. Wiggy's still firing shots. Yeah, Wiggy's just pissed off with his own life. He has to deflect it and throw up on someone else's. We're good. Let's have a look at what Mark's got to say, man. Joe Boys again is still looking awful. Dollar is still so weak. Let's have a look what he's got to say, though, man. Exactly what I've been saying, man. Fucking exactly. It's exactly what we should be seeing. We should be seeing equities absolutely boom at some point. We're not seeing that yet. It's kind of what I was anticipating yesterday, but I feel like we can start having this move soon, especially as we've come deep within this 4 hour to daily range. I'm still looking for price to continue, man. I think equity's going to look so good. Futures next week could look great to move to the upside. That's something I'm definitely looking at. We was actually given a... what I'm going to start doing for New York was actually given ACG bust us a futures account. Kind of a bit of a curveball. They said, mate, do you want to... I think they said to Lou, like, Lou, do you want to start trading futures? Have a look at a futures account. They bust us a few... I can't remember what account size it is, but they bust us a futures and... What we're going to do is just New York session, we're just going to trade a futures account. Probably just scalp it. I mean, there's no spreads, no commissions. I've never traded on anything that's had no spreads, no commissions, bro. It's just going to be fucking brand new. So we're going to start trading that New York session, I reckon. See what trades we can get for Nasdaq, S&P during New York. Yeah, I mean, really, in terms of GU, we still need to see. Yeah, in terms of GU, we still need to see price. I can't see price. I can't see price going up. I don't think GU is the one we really want to be long in. It's definitely mainly EU. Definitely, EG's got to be moving up here, surely, no? London open in about just under 10 minutes. That's when we start wanting to actually see price come up. Are you bullish or bearish EU? I'm more bullish EU, bro. We are going to start seeing that softening of the dollar soon. Bear in mind, what we're really getting right now is we're getting a possible interest rate cut in December. I honestly think we probably will get a cut in December from the Fed. So a secondary cut again looks really good in terms of low interest rates for equities, stocks. So stock market, we're really looking at a boom quite soon. US 10-year I do hope to see come down, which we'll hopefully start seeing a bit more of a softening of the US dollar. So it would make sense to go ahead and look for shorts. And again, the euro is stronger than the pound right now. I think BOE we're looking at an interest rate cut decision come December as well. So we also look weak for the pound. I don't think GU is going to be the best positions. I think EU is definitely going to give us those best positions, 100%. Hammock is concerned about high inflation. I'm assuming that's over in the US. Is he a fucking Fed member? Pretty sure he's a Fed member. That's a woman. Oh, it's a woman. We can't trust a word she says. Let's just not listen into that news then at all. Come on, Dick, so I can't grab this high, motherfucker. Asia session time. Asia session is from 1 till 6, brother. 1 to 6. 1 to 7. 1 to 7, 1 to 6. I'll say 1 to 6. The main volume during the Asia session is from 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. So that's probably the most important time from Asia. That's when most liquidity is going to be in the market. Oh, Dix, why? Come on, man. Come take the Friday 50. Come take it. Yeah, that battery, the other battery is like fucking hot, like 50% charge. Don't know why I was dropping out my camera, man. I've not got a wiki open on, just fucks up my chart. Next week longs for this too could be alright, 100%, man. EUGU. Mate, look at UJ for me for sure, brother. Let's have a look at UJ. Where's UJ? Where's UJ? Here we are. Why is my UJ not done here? Right, I mean, realistically, a weaker dollar for today. The yen's still weak, so I'd say EJ longs are probably your best positions to get in on. Where can you get in? Obviously, you would prefer for price to come back down to at least DTI in order to actually get in somewhat of a decent long. Friday 50, it's probably around that mark, yeah. It's actually lower. Fucking that's way lower. Oh no. This candle, right? Oh, where's the fucking candle? Right, that's quite a massive point actually. For me, it's just longs, bro. The yen's still pretty weak. Well, obviously, if we see a bit more of a weaker move from the dollar today, we'll probably see the yen obviously start moving up. Same thing with the Swiss franc. But it massively depends if the XY is going to move down today. If it doesn't, then I would assume that the yen is continuing down, where AG longs would be nice. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. But that's what I can only make sense of, bro, in terms of the dollar right now. We're still doing that 100k giveaway. How many, bro? That video's got fucking 1,000 comments. But make sure you get in my days, bro. But yeah, make sure you get in there, boys, over on Instagram, man. 1.1k comments. Someone's been going fucking crazy, bro. Someone's spent like a day's amount of time just doing that. Right, we're still not seeing DXY either take a height or move. G, we've seen a little bit of a move. Same thing with GE. Seen more of a powerful move from the pound. That Tesla is really going to help the Nasdaq at the moment as well. That's what I really want to get out for the day. This is what we want to get out for the day. Are we good now with this indicator? Or are we still? I can only assume we're still waiting for detail to align again, right? Yeah. Motherfucker. Hope that does sort itself out Monday, man. Yes, Quamey, what's good, cuzzy? Thoughts on F1, Stuart? Who's asking about me? F1, I must be. Whoever mentioned AU yesterday, it's on to something. I was looking at it last night, and PA has been decent. In terms of what, brother? Have I got AUD? I do have AUD. In terms of what we again, it should really be moving a lot like gold. So I think bearish moves only kind of really make sense. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, we've had holy fuck. We've actually nearly had an insane maneuver today already. We actually didn't come above that Friday 50, which concerns me. Again, we have been seeing these early moves every single Friday morning. We've been seeing that early move. Massive liquidity pool below these Asians. Above this Asia and DXY as well. Yeah. For me, we can only assume that gold's continuing up if you don't actually trade through this 5 minute. But I do get what you boys are talking about in terms of the H4. This H4, no, H1? H1 order block here to continue price down. It kind of does make sense. But bear in mind, if we do get a weakening of the dollar, that is going to be a painful trade to be in if we are looking to short gold whilst price is looking weak for the dollar. We've still been seeing an increased price from commodities recently, for like the late end of this week. From Wednesday up, we've been seeing that bullish move off most commodities, stocks. We want this US 10-year to move down. Fuck. Hurry up. Oof. Fucking hell. Euro stocks 50. Pretty sure Nova have had that massive deal with US, right? Yeah, so it made yesterday over the agreement with Novo, El Lilly to exclusively cut prices, only high profile weight loss, diabetes, okay. Okay, so that's massive for the US. No president is even cheaper. That's massive for pharma, and I'm not gonna lie, that is huge. Again, that sort of does bring down inflation from that pharmaceutical sector as well, which does massively help. We'll see that dollar move before. But yeah, this is what we're really looking to have going into this month, especially if we're looking for that cut going into December for both the BE and the Fed. Siemens. We are moving. Early moves every Friday, man. Let's have a look at EJ. Early move every single Friday. Yeah, it looks like we are going to continue, especially if we do have that weakening of the dollar. It kind of only makes sense, right? Actually fucking crazy. So we've actually got some European stocks getting fucking slammed. Man, that's fucked. Yeah, so yeah, we're seeing half of Europe's top stocks doing absolutely dreadful, but another half actually doing very fucking good. More worse than not. So we've already got that DAX down. We're gonna have to wait for like we kind of do need to wait for this London open for the DAX, but the DAX shorts again. I reckon DAX shorts again, boys. I reckon all you've really got to do is fucking short the DAX. Weak on the European stock side, and again for me that would make the euro bullish, favouring more the currency than the stock side of things at the moment. What about yields? What about yields? German 10-year up, French 10-year up, Italian 10-year up. Looks very strong for the euro. Very strong for the euro. So that EG, oh, bro, shut the fuck up. EG actually a decent AU session, to be fair, as far as they go. Someone collapsing out about the weight loss drug thing. No way someone collapsed. What do you mean someone collapsed? Or like ironically a fat person like had like a stroke or something? Collapse at the mate, can you let me back in the server? Yeah, bro. Collapse of the what? Right, I was just trying to think. No way. What days, yeah. Bro, bear man have died for them things.
Creating high-value jobs. But today, we... Oh, are you okay? Gordon, you okay? Yeah.
Why is it funny? I know what it is, man. I know what it is, but when people like that just like pass out and shit, man. What the fuck even? To be fair, it looks like an old fella. I shouldn't say that because it actually looks like some old fella. I feel kind of bad. Yeah, it's still in it. But people have been dying off them, man. People have been dying of those. UK as well, AstraZeneca. AstraZeneca? That's not what I meant to say. What's the one in the UK? I can't remember what it's called, man. But yeah, they seem dangerous, man. They seem very dangerous. I'm not gonna lie. They seem bare dangerous. Where's Fabi these days? I don't know, bro. But obviously he's from Jamaica, man. So I think the time in Jamaica right now is probably bedtime, bruv. You know what I'm saying? Jamaica time. It's probably like midnight. Oh no, it's 3 a.m. He's probably getting his E's in, broski. Kind of only makes sense. I'm in low risk on GU. What are you in on GU, Josh? Give us a 5 minute though, you bastard. Don't close by giving us a 5. No need to close. Don't close. We've still got fucking 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Fucking hell. Never mind. Fuck you, DXY, man. Who you playing at, you cunt? Right, well, here's my trade through then. Whoa, this guy is so bald. Hey, you man seeing this shit, bro? This guy couldn't get any more bald. Bro, this dude is hairless, bro. He doesn't actually have any eyebrows. Man, I've never seen a man so bald in my life. He looks unwell, type shit. Okay, right. I know we're moving down, but don't move down so much. Sorry, when we talk about ITV stocks, are we talking about... Oh, we literally are talking about ITV. Comcast Sky unit in talks to acquire ITV broadcast arm. Mate, only God knows what that means. And probably a load of gay dudes. Is it ETF by the chance, mate? Wait, what, man? Second entry on GU. Wait, I'm confused what you man are talking about. GU. What trades you man getting on GU? Oh, God. What's that about then, EU? Come on, not even a pubic hair of liquidity swept. Fuck. Fuck you, man. Fuck you, very unlucky. We're looking for these EU longs. The EU longs as well, not the GU longs. The EU longs. Yeah. You know what I'm going to do, mate? I'm not going to take the low because I'm a soppy little cunt. Fuck you, man. DXY abided by the rules. You did not understand the assignment, you little bastard. Right, chill out now, you. Calm down. Start calming. Calm down. Don't take the high without us. And you fucking dare take the high without us. You stay right there. I'm in an EU 1.1516 and 1533. You got in twice, Dan. Come on, Dan. Dan's in. Dan's in. Oh, you tagged me. Let me bring the Discord up, brother. Ooh, nice. Nice. Boys, I got cerebral palsy, but I'm sick of Price not coming to grab the Friday 50. That's exactly why, like yesterday, I was like, I'm not really looking at this. Please don't move with ours. That's just what I'm really hoping with Price. It just doesn't just move with ours. DTO, trust me, bro. You'll be careful with that motherfucker. You'll be careful with that shit, boy. Bro, that could be the reason why the XY reverses it. I hope the XY doesn't reverse here, because that's when anals will start going. We've got to see this 5-minute closure. We've still got 3 minutes for this closure. Nestle down, Novo down, both big European stocks. Ryan Metal down. Give us this closure. Those PA's screwy, I'm good. Bro, the PA's been like this for a couple of weeks now, man. PA's been painful. Been painful. What's the best chart for EU ACG? I use Oanda, bro. Mainly because I'm with FTMO as well. Bro, I'm freezing. Why am I so cold, bro? Not even that cold. Right, let's get this closure. We've got a minute. As long as we're past 8, we're very happy. The DXY looks fucking horrible though. The DTO. But that girl needs to breathe when she talks, man. Sounds like she's getting fucking suffocated. It's a UK based stock, right? IAG? It's not the right stock at all. Oh, no, it's European. No. Spanish registered company with its headquarters in London. Make your fucking mind up. Registered company. Of course, it's a way to dodge tax. Can you even dodge tax in Spain? Unless you're in like fucking Malta or something. Where is it based? I guess that was a bit of a silly thing to say because Malta is not in Spain. Well, I don't know why I think that. I just feel like Malta is... Okay, we've actually got disclosure. We got disclosure DXY. Screwy, it is screwy PA. That was actually a very good way to put it. That was a really good way to put it. We're still looking for these gold shorts. It's not really giving us much, man. Yeah, it's proper screw. I mean, we've already actually closed that whole 5 minute that we created. almost instantly within the first minute. Literally within the first minute. It is screwy. EG buy up is really what we want to see. No 5 minute. You're a fucking nasty little slut bitch. You're a nasty little motherfucker, you. We've not actually seen that closure. Let's not get screwed by that. Let's wait for that closure. We've only got prelim UO and consumer said we've actually got nothing for today, so we can only assume we'll not be getting our NFP. Makes sense. We've got our ADP, which confused me. I don't know why we actually got that. It didn't really make so much sense. Where would you target EG? Like, you don't do that, man. Like what I was saying earlier, so EG's in that area where it depends what you want to aim for, right? If you want to aim from an intraday perspective, I'd say you probably just want to aim for your Friday 50. If you're looking at maybe a Friday high, but what we're really anticipating is the continuation of the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we've obviously been having this bullish maneuver we continuously have been having for quite a bit now, and we are looking at an interest rate cut coming into the December for the Bank of England. I'm not 100% sure if we're seeing cuts from the ECB. We're already at a low 2.15% refinancing rate, or financing rate, should I say? But essentially, we're just looking for price to continue, right? As you can see, we've come to this imbalance here, so now we're really anticipating price to move up, especially with the kind of the weak UK news we've been getting. I can only assume it kind of makes sense to start putting price off now. Another thing as well, I'm pretty sure we've got 4-hour CRT to the upside still, so that I'm pretty sure that's ages high. But you're a motherfucker. Do not run. How does it run like that? Holy shit. That's a whole Asia range instantly. But we are looking for EG to continue up a little bit further, boys. Friday 50 minimum, bare minimum. At the bare minimum. Again, the favoured trades would be EU over GU. If you're someone like me who does not trade Fridays and is mainly looking for essentially an expansion of the move to actually understand what's going to happen next week, is we are really looking for EU to come to the downside, EU to come to the upside, GU to come to the upside a bit more. GU is going to be a bit painful, but we are anticipating that weaker dollar. Confirmations are key, but we are pretty much that's why Friday's such a good day just to anticipate what price is going to do for the following week. So we're going to see where we trade for this Friday, if we continue up or if we continue down. If we continue down, we look great for the DXY to start continuing now. Especially with the ease of interest rates. They're looking to cut in December as well, due to the most recent labour news coming out quite weak. US October Challenge reports 153,000 job cuts on cost cutting and AI. Mad. US-based announcements, 153,000 jobs cut in October, up 175% from the 55,597 cuts announced in October 2024. It's exactly what I was saying, boys. As soon as we get some labour data come out, we will realise how weak the dollar is and how weak the economy is. And then we'll start shorting the dollar. The only reason we've been long on it is because we've been in a situation where it kind of only makes sense to hold on to safe havens. So this is why we are anticipating this weaker dollar. When it comes, we don't know, but I can only assume it's going to start coming in, start getting priced in. If we start pricing the interest rate cut and the weak labour market, it makes sense for that dollar to start coming down. We are seeing the dollar. We haven't actually seen it move yet, to be fair. Not seen it move. Realistic targets for EU. Asia high again if you're someone who just goes for like 1 to 2s, 1 to 3s. Friday highs if you're looking for, by the looks of it, like a 1 to 3, 1 to 4 within that range. I wouldn't look to aim for anything over than that. Again, after we break this Friday high, we sort of come into like the unknown territory, I like to call it. but we don't know what targets price has. So yeah, I'd say the main targets right now probably high. We don't have much news come out. Why don't you trade Fridays, bro? It's the lowest volume day in all markets. All markets. It's highly manipulative. For our strategy, right, in terms of ratio liquidity, we look for high volume during London session. One of the most untraded days for traders over the world is a Friday. Friday's the low volume time. So for a strategy like ALG, it just doesn't work. Great. As we can see here, we've not even seen EU take the low, and we've just moved, right? We see the moves happen early. I mean, DXY we didn't, but GU we saw the moves happen early, right? We saw the low sweep at 7, and we start seeing price move up from there. We've been seeing every other Friday in previous history, in like the last like month, previous history, making it sound like it's fucking ages ago. We've been seeing the main move happen here. Look, 6:30. Let's go back to another day. This is another Friday here. Is this Friday? No, this is Monday. We had the move happen at 7:40, before 8. Main move here, 7:20, before 8. Friday, looks like we took the low, traded all the way down. So, we're not going to count that. I mean, fucking hell, look at that Thursday. Let's go back to this Friday. We actually didn't take the high for time. 8:40. Oh no, that was the Monday. This is the Friday. Move started to happen at 7:05. Bang on 7 by the looks of it. Early moves is so, yeah, it's just dangerous. Higher volume times, you'll notice price will move at 8. The main move happen at 8. If not, price will probably just continue from like the 7 AM open of Europe. If you manage to get in, beautiful stuff, man. If you're in, what are you aiming for? G's going to be, again, G's just a little bit more painful because we do have that really weak pound. Especially off the increased odds of us having that interest rate cut. But yeah, Harris, that's why, brother. Who's YouTube police? That's it, Harris. There's. You'll notice. Again, what I noticed, which made me actually start looking at Fridays and understanding why, was because most of my losses were on Friday. Again, our strategy is based off higher volume, right? If you trade ALG, it's based off higher volume. Same if you trade Silver Bullet, it's based off higher volume. So why trade it at days where there is less volume? Jim Bob, what we saying, bro? I'll be good, man. But do you know what I mean? It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Mace, you remember CFX? Ooh, I'm not too sure. Boys, make sure you're getting that 100k giveaway, man. Over on Insta. 100k ACG account I'm giving away today. We're giving away 2 25s as well. 100k and 2 25s. 150k worth of funded accounts, boys. 100k on Instagram, 50k in the Discord. Get the fuck on those if you're not already, man. In EU long, yes, come out. Lovely stuff. What are you aiming for in the EU long, broski? EG on crack. Yeah, EG's on heroin, bro. Look at that shit. We taking a fucking piss. Again, bias right, boys. Bias right for EG, bias right for EU, bias right for DXY. Let's just see where price ends up going to. If you're in the trade, lovely stuff. Me, myself, I don't trade Fridays. But if you are in something, man, Lovely stuff. Hopefully we can ride that wave, man. EG's fucking booming again. That weak pound really shining through, and the strong euro as well. The GU cook. Ah yeah, GU kicked. Pound far too weak for it, lads. Pound far too weak. It's mainly the EU we really want to be focused on. EG's actually doing a bit. I can't tell if that's pound weakness though. I feel like it is a big amount of pound weakness. Yes, Mason boy, how we all good, Dan, my boy. How we doing, man? How we doing, bro? Jim Bob goat, trust me, Jim Bob's the goat, man. He was only 18 as well, had like 50k pounds. I think I remember him. I think so, innit? I think I do. Yeah, he was a lad that always had weapons and turned a little weird. What is that? How you remember him? GBP is sickening, yeah, the pound's so weak, man, it's almost a joke. It is almost a joke. Who is CFA? Who is, no, sorry, who is YouTube Police, though? Who are you, man? Hey, Mum, do you want to close this fucking door? Bro, why do I feel like the fucking Russians are after me right now?
You call me?
Well, yeah, it's just that fucking loud, that. And you've opened the door again. Can I just ask this one lovely thing? When you whoa. When you enter the room and open the door, on the way of exiting, can the door be fucking closed, please?
I'm leaving for work now, so the dog needs to have
Alright then.
entry through.
Alright then.
Okay.
Doggy! Mimi! Get here, bitch! Get here, motherfucker! Hello. Bro, there's no way you just pissed. Oh my god, bro. Why are dogs like this, man? Why are you pissing, bro? Why have you just pissed?
Oh no, she hasn't.
Yeah, she has. Bro, fuck me, man. Can't you just have like an exciting time? Hello. Kisses, hugs and shit.
Well. Just excited.
Excited. So you validating it. You know what, when I'm next to get excited, I'm just pissy.
What do you do anyway?
No, I can do that. You better go. Right, Mimi? Fuck you, yeah? Fuck you.
It's naughty, isn't it?
Someone's not
Naughty.
getting walked. That's it. Fucking do her. I know you want to cuddle, yeah, motherfucker. Oh, now you want a bit of love and shit. Where you going? Do. Bro, I can do it, man.
That's what I'm doing it now.
Where's she gone? You hiding?
Yeah, she's hiding because I hit her.
Come here then, you fucking weasel.
No, she's got to know she's been naughty.
Well, yeah, you fucking naughty. Naughty. You can't piss on the floor. You see, start the floor around my desk every time you speak to me, man. Pooch needs a kennel, put her in a garden. Yeah, Wiggs, yeah. You're a fucking little arsehole, aren't you? You fucking... She's hiding because I hit her. Yeah, no volume at the moment. We're seeing no volume for European stocks. Oh, you're just so cute. You're just so cute there, aren't you, Fuzzy Buzzy? You know what? Fuck off then, you tosser. Fuck you. Fuck you. Right, let's keep our eyes on the Dixie. Yeah, we're seeing no volume for the European session. That's what Guy Johns just said to us. Sorry, let's go back on the XY. Looks like DTO. DTO just shielding ALG at all costs. Right, Dixie, we're still not seeing. Dixie, gold, we're still not seeing price come down either. Mate, this is actually nuts, man. $8 trillion market cap. Holy shit. Holy shit. And on the EU, we still haven't actually grabbed that low, which is kind of still pissing me off a little bit. Bro, if GU continues to go down, don't keep getting in. If you've lost a trade, do not get back in, man. Do not get in. Yeah, bro, I thought that, man. He actually made a bare good deal with China regarding soybeans. It was like a joke amount of soybeans a year they have to buy off the US. Fuck Friday now, I can't lie. Come on, Friday's not the best day, Brody, man. It ain't the best day. That's why I stripped it out, man. Very low volume. When you got low volume, liquidity moves don't happen as often. That's it, Dan. Stay on your trade though, don't lose your anal and get out, come on. Gold still bounced off that 5, yeah. Gold hasn't moved. Price moving like Jimmy Sav in a playground. Oh, you alright, Tracy Allen? Looks like you've been stung by a fucking bee by the seams of it. Holy shit. She looks like fucking Quagmire a little bit. We've come back to the IFEG now. There's something to know. We've come back to it. EU longs, lovely Hussein. Oh, what an annoying face. It's kind of bad to say because she seems quite sweet. But what an annoying face you've got, Tracy. Still hopping on EJ. Still hoping or hopping. Hoping. Still hoping on EJ. What? Let's have a look. What are you in on EJ? Are you looking for an EJ trade? Why are you bullish on EU? Is high time frame not bearish? We are looking for a flip of the dollar, bro. So what we're really seeing right now in the US market is we've had a really weak data news come out, right? Really weak data news. Labour news, which essentially increases the idea of us having a cut in December. So I'm looking for the dollar to start coming down. Obviously, I don't trade Fridays, boys, so I'm not looking for a trade. But I'm anticipating that price is going to start falling very soon. There's good things that the US have done, which is great for the economy recently, but the labour market really does have an effect on the interest rate decision. If we ease monetary policy, then you will see, obviously, the dollar take a slump. Another thing as well, keeping a close eye on the US 10-year. If this starts coming down, we should really start seeing a weakening of the dollar. Vice versa, we see it come up. We see the continuation of the strength. So, for me, today I'm looking for confirmations. I'm not looking for trades. I'm looking for confirmations is what we need. EU bearish on a higher time frame, 150%. 150%. Well, I guess I kind of guess that. I kind of guess that sort of determines the time frame you're on. Because you start looking at weekly, monthly, with really bullish, still really bullish. But in terms of like 1 hour to 4 hour, which is sort of a bit more intraday, higher time frame, we look bearish, right? But I am looking for price to reverse here. If it does, then next week looks so good to go ahead and short the dollar. So good, but again, we gotta get some confirmations, boys. And a Friday's a good day to confirm, and then we'll also have Monday to confirm. So we'll have a little look. We'll have a fucking look, man. You want to buy around DTO? Buys, again, I was going to say, I couldn't tell if you was going for the shorts, but buys make most sense. Euro quite strong. My only problem right now as well is with the yen. My problem with the yen. If the dollar is strong, if the dollar's weak, which is kind of what we're anticipating, the market needs to find some of our safe havens, like the yen. I'm sure gold we're going to see boom again. But this is why I've been waiting for gold, because we're really anticipating a weak dollar. When is that going to come in? So, yeah. I'm in sales on some alpha competition, full ported time. The fuck out of it. Wait, what did you short? What did you short? EU. And what competition is it, man? It is getting better. Maybe I'm back and I'm better. More than 700 police at Villa Park last night. Holy shit. Fucking hell, that's crazy, bro. Oh, hey, Dylan, WhatsApp me, bro. Dylan, WhatsApp me. WhatsApp me. I've been given, ACG has thrown us a futures account. So I'm going to start trading futures for New York session on live, and we'll just go ahead and we'll just scalp New York session on this Alpha futures account. But drop me a message, bro, because I know you use like our concepts around futures, and I've never traded futures before, man. Never. But it'll be fun, man. Something to do for New York session, right? Something to work towards as well, man. It'll be fun. And again, normally we see like a really shitty market during New York for like FX, so. Yeah. Right, Common DXY. Do we need to do, or just do something for fuck's sake? I got this weird boner thing. Right, let's DXY going to continue? Are we not going to see this bearish move yet? Oh, bro. See, that must have been like 70% of battery life. I like that. This is a shame, man. EG's been moving so well. Just entry, bruv. Just, yeah, no getting in there. No getting in there. No getting in there. Do. Are you still within the range? DXY still within the range? Yeah. Do. CAD shorts are good. Swiss franc safe haven makes sense. The long right now. CAD's quite weak. They've cut interest rates a few times. Any short against the Canadian dollar is good, I think. Well, sorry, any long against the Canadian dollar is good. I think continue those longs. Sorry, fuck am I saying? Yeah, you're looking for the shorts, bro. But we'll look for price to continue up to that Friday 50 before we start actually having that move down. Looks like DXY may continue up. That goes to show how low volume the high we had during Asia. Which again confirms that Friday low liquidity roll. It's not roll, I don't know what to say. Wait, what's that, Caden? What, a president's speech? Yeah, Vish, that's exactly what I'm doing when I jump off this shit, broski. Right, looks like we may continue higher, man. Into you shorts going nicely, no. Bro, that scared the shit out of me, man. Couldn't tell if I was in like a real life edit for a sec then. Bro, that was fucking bare weird, man. Couldn't tell if I should start like doing something. Take shit. I can't force myself to before 12, I know, Steve. The thing is, what I'll do is I'll go walk my dog. Like, I'll do as much shit as I can before. You know? I've also got that video I'm making today, which is based on how to master the stop loss. So I want to do that, walk the dog, make breakfast and that before I tear one. Otherwise, I won't do any of those things. Not one of those things. Gold still hasn't moved a step. Still hasn't moved a step. Bro. I know, man. Do, do, do. Right, boys, Lou's alive and I weren't enthusiastic. So I'm gonna jump off now. We still got no movement, really. We still really haven't got too much movement. Boys, I'm gonna jump off, get my morning shit done. I'm gonna get that video done for today, boys. Funded account giveaway. We're giving away a 100k account on the Instagram. If you're not already entered, if you're not already entered into that, boys, go enter now, man. I'm not even too. I think Lou's gonna be doing it on the London stream, so boys, get on it now because Lou's gonna be jumping on probably within the next half an hour. So make sure you're fucking in it. Make sure you're in. Make sure you're in, boys. I'm jumping off because Lou should be jumping on soon, boys. This is still from pre-London, but every Friday because I don't trade, I do the free. I do it to everyone. Do it to the whole Discord on YouTube and stuff. But boys, I'll see you in the Discord. If you got any questions for me, come and ask me, man. I'm active all day. I'm just gonna go make that video so we can get something up for YouTube.